Since its foundation in 1850, Tatra has been synonymous with innovation and ruggedness in the automotive industry. With a rich history and a well-earned reputation, this Czech brand has provided us with heavy-duty off-road vehicles that push the limits of endurance and performance. Today, on Gear Tech, we have prepared a selection of their most impressive heavy-duty trucks, hoping you find it informative. ČKD Mobilní Jeřáby is a Czech company specializing in the development and manufacturing of mobile cranes mounted on robust and powerful trucks, such as Tatra vehicles. Recently, they provided an impressive rescue vehicle known as AV30.1 to the Czech Fire Department, based on a Tatra 815 8x8 truck designed to perform demanding and complicated recovery operations. The crane mounted on this truck incorporates a telescopic boom with a lifting capacity of 30 tons. It is also equipped with 2 rear winches that can handle loads of up to 20 tons. Both the winches and the crane can be controlled remotely, allowing operators to stay in a safe zone during rescue works. This truck features all-wheel steering, electronically assisted, allowing it to have what is known as crab steering, which is truly useful for maneuvering in tight spaces. Weighing 34 tons, it is equipped with a Tatra engine producing 440 horsepower and 2,100 Newton-meters of torque, enabling it to reach speeds of up to 115 kilometers per hour. Additionally, it has a 10-speed manual gearbox also developed by Tatra. The AV30.1 is a highly capable and reliable rescue vehicle, designed to tackle challenging situations and provide assistance in critical recovery operations. With its combination of power, maneuverability, and lifting capacity, it is a valuable tool for firefighters and rescue teams in the Czech Republic. Liberty Ostrava is a Czech steel company with an annual production capacity of approximately 3.6 million tons of high-quality steel. Due to the nature of their work, the company has always required special equipment to carry out their tasks, and when it comes to material transportation, it is no exception. The company has begun testing a new Tatra truck designed specifically for the movement of bars and other materials that require equipment capable of handling oversized and heavy loads. This truck has an impressive length of approximately 25 meters and a payload capacity of 50 tons, which was modified by the Czech company Impex after 10 months of work. Based on a Tatra Force, it is equipped with a 400 horsepower engine, which had to be relocated behind the cab as the cab itself was cut and shifted to create more cargo space. This 14x8 truck has 5 steerable axles with power steering, and its main usage for the company is on a transport route of just over 2 kilometers. However, it is worth noting that this vehicle is a challenging unit to drive. The Bryan Equipment Company, based in the United States, has established itself as a leading manufacturer and supplier of specialized equipment for the oil and gas industry, among other sectors. With over 30 years of experience in the development of well fracturing and stimulation equipment, the company has been involved in the creation of an impressive mobile unit known as the Percheron. This gigantic vehicle is based on a Tatra T815 10x10 truck and is equipped with a powerful well pump from Gardner, Denver. Its most remarkable feature is its astonishing power, reaching nearly 6,000 horsepower thanks to a turbocharged 12-cylinder MTU 1163 diesel engine. Although this power is impressive, the truck itself utilizes only 700 horsepower and 3,500 Newton-meters for its displacement, while the pump takes advantage of this power to inject a mixture of water, sand, and chemicals into wells at high pressure. The Percheron has the potential to become a valuable tool in the oil and gas industry. Its mobility and power are crucial for carrying out well fracturing and stimulation operations efficiently and precisely on site. This mobile unit is essential for maximizing hydrocarbon production and maintaining efficiency in current exploitation work. Tatra Trucks is a globally recognized company as one of the largest manufacturers of heavy-duty vehicles with truly extraordinary qualities for various applications. Their trucks stand out primarily for their suitability for transporting loads over medium distances on uneven terrain, both on and off the road. One of their most renowned developments is the Phoenix series, among which the 10x10 chassis configuration truck shines. It incorporates a Packard MX-13 engine with 520 horsepower, coupled with a 16-speed automatic transmission. It features an independent air suspension system on each axle, which not only provides unparalleled stability on any terrain, but also allows for a payload capacity of 52 tons. All these qualities have made the Tatra Phoenix 10x10 a highly reliable unit for transportation jobs within construction or mining, as its chassis offers exceptional resistance to environmental and working conditions, preventing mud or sharp stones from damaging the main components. Moreover, it is well known that Tatra trucks are excellent vehicles for smoothly navigating through areas where others are prone to getting stuck. Atacama HAT is a Chilean company dedicated to tourism services that offers tours through the Andes mountain range, providing spectacular panoramic views that include landscapes such as the Licancabur, Juriques, and Laguna Blanca volcanoes. The route starts and ends in San Pedro de Atacama, following an ancient path that was used for sulfur extraction on the Saracabur volcano. For this tour, the company required a Tatra Phoenix 8x8 truck equipped with a Packard MX 340 engine, delivering 460 horsepower and a torque of 2,300 Newton-meters. The truck was modified to accommodate a superstructure with a total space for 34 people. Since this tour takes approximately 6 hours and reaches an astounding altitude of 5,700 meters, an oxygen system is activated above 4,300 meters above sea level to help mitigate the effects of altitude sickness. Its 16-speed automatic transmission, combined with its steerable axles, allows drivers to maneuver and overcome narrow roads, steep slopes, and extreme conditions encountered while traversing the dunes of the driest desert on Earth. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it valuable. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. We can't wait to see you in the next one.